I'm tired as heck, okay? I haven't eaten all day. I tried to drill the curtains in, and now I have a useless hole in the wall because it's drywall. So I tried to put in the, what are those things called? These things. I tried to put one of these things in, tap, tap, tappity, brokety. And so now I'm like stressed. Marianne is going to come over and she's about to help me. I'm not like stressed. Honestly, if I have something to eat, I would feel better right now. And I think I'm about to do that. But before, we're going to do a little haul of what I got at something called Black Friday. Shout out to Nadia. I've always seen those places online, but oh my God, I feel like Martha Stewart. So, when you walk into that warehouse, all you see is a bunch of like tables lined up like Last Suppers, but extra long suppers. And it's just piled on with boxes. Some of them are damaged boxes. I quickly realized that these were Amazon returns. I was like, there's no way. These are freaking Amazon returns, right? Returns or lost in motion. In transaction, they were lost, okay? Like Nemo. Anyways, so this box, I open it and I see this. Is it focused? I don't know. But basically, these are the straws and the little brushy brush to clean the straws. You just stick them in like that, like so, like that, and they bend too. And you can clean your straw. It's tighter than it looks. Praise the Lord. Anyways, moving on. So then these are this is what it looks like in there, in the inside. You see the cups. And then here's your cute little cup. Look how, come over, here's your cup. Here's your cup. It's so freaking cute. What else did I get? So I learned how to do my own acrylic nails because I got tired of people always messing it up. And I found this thing and it works, baby, it works. And I'm so excited, it's like brand new. Like I inspected it, the box was flimsy and crazy as heck, but it works. So what you do is when you're filing your acrylic nails, y'all have seen this, but if you haven't, let me give you a little example. Plug it in. So you just turn it on, and as you're filing, it sucks all the dust and stuff. And when I say the box was like literally flimsy, it was not packaged. This was the box. It was just like in a bin, halfway open. And I said, wait a minute. And I didn't even think about it, but when I brought it home, it actually worked. And I was like, score. Is this thing recording? But again, box looking crazy, but it's a little treasure inside. Look at these. They're perfectly fine. Ramekins. Reckon. I feel like a Puerto Rican. But yeah, so it came with a set of 6. I'm saying 6 because I'm hoping it's something underneath here. Yes, child, she's there. She's all there, she's intact. This is a back warmer. As I told Nadia, I'm either injured myself or sore from working out. There are seasons of things that happen in life and I always need a back warmer. So I was like, the box looked toe up. Now this one I haven't, all this we just got last night. So I haven't actually plugged this in yet. But is that lint or dog hair? Lord, can you wash this? Ooh. So here's the plug, the pluggy plug. This is brand new, y'all. Here's a plug and here's the settings on there. And then it's a no-brainer. You just, does it strap? Yeah, child, would. So you strap it on, you tie it on, huzzah. Your back is warm. And then, Marianne actually found these. I call her Farai, but y'all know her as Marianne because only her friends can call her Farai. And sometimes I call her both, to be honest. But she found these dainty, cute little earrings. And she said, girl, ooh. And I said, huh. At first I didn't know what they were. Okay. All right. I can't see myself. I mean, they're all right. They'll get the job done on a casual day like this, you know? So it's like, it's just, oh, I thought it was multiples of the same thing. Kind of. So you have gold and then you have a silver set. I don't know how they got linked, but there you go. So are there 2 gold and 2 silvers? Girl, I don't know what's going on. Oh, hold up. And the different cheetahs. There's a lighter one and her dark-skinned sister. Come through. There we go. Oh, come on, focus. You better show me my whole life. Yes, so she's darker. She's lighter and then her sister is darker. So they gave you like a silver set and a gold set of each. I love this angle. I really feel like I'm about to be Martha Stewart, Rachel Ray, but without the jail. I'm not trying to be like Martha completely. So I saw this and it was so cute. I was like, okay, it's a backpack. I haven't actually opened the zipper yet. My family's going to Ghana by the end of the month. And I always like to get my grandma bags that she can carry with her, even though typically whoever's with her is carrying it, aka my mom or me. This is nice. Here she is on the inside. You got, who is calling me? I found some hardware pieces and they are so beautiful. Like, look at that. The gold. Oh, and they have the nails to screw in and everything. I don't know what I'll use for this, but the way life's been going, I know that the fact that I found them, I'm gonna find something to use for them. So then I got these for my mom. They're heavy duty, like very good quality. Yeah, it is what it is. These are just a pair of leggings, nothing fancy, but actually very, very good quality. And she likes this color, so happy Mother's Day to her. The tag is still on it, child. What's it say? The brand is Daily/Ritual, like literally. That's what it says. Okay. Look at this freaking sweater. Look at that. She's heavy duty, nice and thick. Can't wait. It's by the same brand, Daily Ritual, and I'm keeping this one for myself. Dang, maybe I should give it to my mom. I might give it to her, but it's so cute. Let me put it on. This is mine. I can tell by how it fits me. Yeah, my mom is bigger up top than me. No, this is meant for me. Ew. But I've been talking about Epsom salts all week. And it's brand new, undamaged. So I got me a pet. And the last thing is a chandelier. I don't know why I bought this. Honestly, my thoughts are, do you see the picture? This is what it's supposed to look like. Oh, it's heavy. My thoughts are that I am going to, actually, I'm not gonna open this yet because I don't have packing tape. So I'm gonna leave it alone and find a picture of this and put it in the video. Okay, so now I have to, what do I have to do now? I washed those ramekins and stuck up in the dishwasher to dry. Can you see? And those cups. So they'll be drying, then I'll put them up. It's such a pretty day. Like, I cannot wait to have my curtains up and have the sun just filtering through. Actually, now I haven't eaten all day. It's 3:22 in the afternoon. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with food. Like, I cannot function. My voice is shrill. So I'm gonna use, I don't have any pots yet. So I'm gonna use my Instapot to fry some eggs because Africans love eggs, especially apparently Ghanaians. We get made fun of it, but I'm proud of it. And we're gonna just fry some eggs. All right, guess who's here? Farai is here. And she has this fancy laser because she's Bob the Builder and Martha Stewart. All in one. We're about to hang these curtains up. I made a boo-boo and there's a hole up there. We can fill it.
Fill it another time.
Yeah. My friend Sheena says she has gawk or whatever, hole filler. So, yay! We're gonna have curtains by the night. And we're gonna do it when there's sun so we can see the, you know, the romantic j'adore. Yes. Okay. I think that looks good.
Yeah.
Take it higher, let me see. No.
Yes.
For some reason it just doesn't look good.
Yeah, because
I think that's perfect.
Yeah. So over here. Okay. Now.